We all get those afternoon slumps. You crave a quick pick-me-up, something sweet and satisfying, but those sugary snacks, they're sneaky culprits. Sugar rushes lead to energy crashes, leaving you sluggish and craving more. Plus, all those empty calories contribute to weight gain, not weight loss. We need a delicious alternative, something that satisfies without the sugar overload. That's where our no sugar, no jaggery energy bars come in. These bars are a game changer for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle without compromising on taste. Imagine indulging in a snack that not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also fuels your body with essential nutrients. These bars are packed with natural sweetness derived from fruits like dates and figs, and wholesome ingredients like nuts and seeds to keep you energized and satisfied throughout the day. Each bite is a perfect blend of taste and nutrition. No more guilt trips after a snack attack. You can enjoy these bars without worrying about added sugars or unhealthy additives. These little powerhouses are perfect for pre-workout fuel, giving you the energy boost you need, a midday snack to keep you going, or even a healthy dessert option that won't derail your diet. They are versatile and can fit into any part of your day. They'll curb your cravings without derailing your health goals. So, next time you're reaching for a snack, make it a no sugar, no jaggery energy bar and feel the difference. So, what makes these bars so special? Let's talk ingredients. The secret lies in the perfect blend of wholesome, natural components that not only taste great, but also nourish your body. We're using nutrient-rich nuts like almonds and walnuts packed with healthy fats and fiber. These nuts are not only crunchy and delicious, but also provide essential nutrients that support heart health and keep you feeling full longer. Dates and a touch of honey provide natural sweetness, eliminating the need for refined sugars. Dates are rich in antioxidants and fiber, while honey adds a subtle, delightful flavor that complements the other ingredients perfectly. While chia seeds and rolled oats offer a boost of fiber and energy, chia seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with omega-3 fatty acids, and rolled oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy throughout the day. A dash of cinnamon adds warmth and flavor. This aromatic spice not only enhances the taste but also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Every bite is a celebration of good health. These bars are a perfect snack for any time of the day, providing a balanced mix of nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied. Ready to make your own? Imagine having a delicious, nutritious snack that's perfect for any time of the day. It's easier than you think. With just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of time, you can create your own homemade energy bars. Simply pulse the nuts in a food processor until coarsely ground. This forms the base of your energy bars, providing a crunchy texture and a boost of healthy fats. Add in the remaining ingredients and pulse until well combined. You can get creative here. Think dried fruits, seeds, and a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Press the mixture firmly into a lined baking dish and chill for at least 30 minutes. This step helps the bars to set and makes them easier to cut. Cut into bars, and voila! You've got a convenient on-the-go snack that's perfect for busy mornings or a quick energy boost. You've got yourself a batch of delicious, guilt-free energy bars. They're not only tasty but also packed with nutrients to keep you fueled throughout the day. Ditch the sugary snacks and embrace a healthier way to satisfy your cravings. These homemade bars are a fantastic alternative to store-bought options that are often loaded with sugar and preservatives. Your body will thank you for it. Not only will you feel more energized, but you'll also be giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive.